Yo, what's up? It's your boy Will Motivation, and today we're talking about my advice on the number one way for you to get started investing in real estate.
All right, here we go. Will Moss out here putting in work. We got D Moss.
That's me.
That's my brother right there. Works with me. We got Steve Butler.
How's it going?
New member of the team. But we're headed over here to do this event for Amazon.
Amazon.
We'll shout Amazon out. Good luck. But just wanted to shout everybody out. I haven't done any YouTube videos for a minute, but we've been working. We're about to do the event we're doing is a recruitment event where we're going to help people get opportunities to work in Amazon fulfillment centers. So, no, just saying what's up to YouTube. We'll get some videos from the event so you guys can kind of see a little bit what I do when I'm not, hanging around the house playing with the Lambo. You know what I'm saying? But let me shoot y'all in the area. You got any words for the YouTubers?
Absolutely. No longer can you just hop out of school and go jump in and get a manufacturing job, get some coding, study, go into IT, go into medical field. It's all possible. It's all possible.
There you go.
I say stay creative, keep your options open, get some intense training in an area of your interest, and leverage your entire range of skill sets the entire way. You might have end up in a Lambo just like Will Moss.
Matter of fact, I'll be selling mine soon, so one of y'all can buy it.
I can get a piece of that.
Right, you can sales pitch. But yeah, so we're in Baltimore, in the Inner Harbor, and no, I didn't want to say much yet, but we'll get some shots from the event, and then you guys can kind of see how we do some of our work. So that's all it is. Check out the harbor.
What's your endorsement?
We can go in. Probably any of these.
I'm gonna get one of these when I get back to the crib.
Yeah, it's a little cheaper.
Actually,
too.
I remember the
$200
Ripley's. Oh,
I can keep going.
Network with your peers. I'd like to quickly introduce my team that's here. I'm Will Moss. That's Daniel Moss. He's on my business development team. That's also my brother. Some people say he's my dad. And then we have Steve Butler, who called every single person in here. So thanks, Steve. Steve's up front. And so with that, I'll go ahead and hand it over to the Amazon team to get started with their presentation. Enjoy. Once the presentations are over, they'll bring out hot food so you guys can have something to eat. The open bar will stay open for you guys to enjoy as well. And just take advantage of this opportunity. As you guys probably know, there's not a lot of opportunities like this. So, like I said, kudos to Amazon, and thank you guys for coming.
sure. My name is Brandon Phillips.
Where you go to school at?
I went to Morgan State.
So we're here at the HBCU Connect event. We're networking, right? So just coincidentally, a lot of people know that I do real estate. So we were just chit-chatting, networking, here for Amazon, but we just found we had something in common, and we both do real estate.
Exactly.
So tell them a little bit about how you got into it and what it looks like.
I got into real estate first with $0. I took out a loan for $65,000, bought my first property for $30,000. Took $30,000 into it and left the $5,000 in the account to pay that loan back while that 3 months for me to remodel that property. Sold the property and made $115,000. Took that from that start and bought my next 3
already.
No, I got a Maybach though.
Oh, there it is. Tell them what
I
you
don't
got.
do Lambos. I'm too big for Lambos.
Oh,
man. No, not enough leg room. It's like more like steering wheel leg. But no, I mean, the toys are nice, but the only reason I buy the toys, I have a mentoring program. And I bought those toys only to show the kids that needed to see that spotlight. Because this generation is a little bit different. They have to see the materialistic things in order to gain that attention.
So I understand the channel.
Yeah,
I got a Lambo.
Right. It's nice to have those materialistic things, but it helps to complement my mentoring. My calling in life is to give back. So my properties, everything else gives back to make other people learn and the less fortunate.
Right. The car service avenue, the toy service avenues of entry into the information.
People start listening.
That's right.
They see
Start
it.
listening.
It's proof.
And then you get the stuff there to pay for the toys, and then you give back. So this is, just a quick shout out. Another HBCU grad, another entrepreneur, another person that works hard, sets goals, I'm sure, and makes it happen. So
How did it come up in conversation with you guys?
Just popped up and just started talking. We just kind of started asking
You
questions.
mentioned something about a 65 car. Okay, tell me more about that. Because the real estate is, so you flip some, but you also rent some out.
Yep, I started off with flipping. Now I just rent.
Okay, no flipping right now.
No more flipping.
Why are you out of flipping right now?
Because I wanted to build a portfolio. It just creates an endless income.
Okay.
I don't have a mortgage on any of them. So nothing to say. If I ever need money, just sell a house.
I don't know if you want to say what your daytime job is. You don't have to say the company, but you can say what you do.
I work for a company still. I'll always work in corporate America because right now my job complements everything I do. I take that salary, I get about $275 now, and I just pour it into properties. I love giving back. I love training. I network with my company. It complements the nightclub that I own, and it just kind of works hand in hand.
So you own a nightclub, you got real estate popping off.
You want to
and
shout
do
out
this on the side?
You want to shout out the nightclub?
No.
Not right now. Let's not do it. We'll edit.
Hey man, appreciate it.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.